Today I'm gonna show how to make simple dolls using pipe cleaners. So this might be good dolls for your puppet shows. So we twist pipe cleaners first. You can go keep twisting so you can secure the legs and twist so that you have like a body. So now you need some hands. So I usually twist it this way, so then make sure it's all safe as well. So this is our kind of template for the doll. They call it worry doll in Guatemala. I always tell children, if I work with children, that we can tell our worries to these dolls and then put them to sleep and they will worry for you. You need some piece of wool to make a body of the doll or yarn, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to use this yarn and start tying up around the doll about on the frame. So keep tying. It's quite meditative, this experience. So just make sure that it's all covered and there are no sharp parts. So if you invite children to participate in this activity, it's also quite good for them to use their fine motor skills and twisting. It's really good for development of the wrist. Of course, the doll's not gonna be that well made, so but it's more a process we are interested in. So I was making these dolls with 4 years olds. 6 years old is of course better at making this progress and making their dolls different, but it's not, as I said, it's not the finished product we are interested in. It's more an activity that is quite sustainable as well. So everyone has some wool offcuts and pieces of yarn. So yeah, so that's an example of a very simple doll. So we can make some more wool around the waist here to create a body, sturdy, and make sure that, yeah, as I said, you cover any sharp parts. So cut this. And you can wrap it and hide somewhere. So that's a worry doll. Yeah, now you can also add some hair if you want. It's very easy to do, so if you can tie it through here. Push it with scissors. Yeah, girls usually like that. So and you can push it again. So this is the beginning, so you can keep going, or you can just cut this hair and leave it as is, like this. Yeah. So that's a very simple doll. I love making them, so let's see how you can make your own. Please share your dolls. I call them worry dolls, and that's just a simple example of how to make it.